So first question for a sub interview, ano yung first sports ko, or main sport ko? I played table tennis nung high school, college, tapos family na lang nung nagka-pamilya na. And we tried to influence si Sam, si Mrs. din nag-table tennis. But we do, badminton, dati, laro-laro lang. We tried tennis kasi yung dad ni Mrs. nag-tennis talaga, so influence na kami. Kaso it's hard for some eh. Then so the pickleball, si Mrs. nag-invite sa akin dito sa club, though she's pregnant. Pero gusto niya ma-influence kami or ma-start namin. Then we love the sports. Then, yun din, dahil pampamilya siya, si Sam nagustuhan din. Tapos malapit din, maganda yung community. Nagustuhan namin yung sport and stayed for the family or community. And siguro suggestion or feedback sa club kung ano may improve. Siguro mas malaking playing para mas madaming makapaglaro. Para mas marami din yung kapawis like us, and siguro continue lang din. Thank you for this, Sir Jonard, for making everything interesting. It's not just sport, pati may mga recreation or activities na extracurricular. We appreciate it. God bless. Thank you.
Okay.